It is a media in also there, Charlotte Oduro or training in Nawaria, Egunobusia, Nawaria Eguno, Afia Schwar nigga. I bet you in same ama wako deep, na deep no koye no. Wako change story be fruma e chiribu say. Nana Mama McBrown Empress. I na ya so na so na busia na wale ote hono. Egu atonsum ajefon. Aha ye Penyah blog me da message wa. Say over like video na over subscribe button na na click notification icon for latest updates. Na ba kire wadwen e dey mama e wo comment section. E di Sunday ni enka mi shemu e wo media na so na te say ye nyina ye marriage counselor Reverend Charlotte Oduro na whatever fe ote ho no oni ne kunu so mu Oduro awale no enya gu. I say ye no kunu e di press statement e ba bontan na o kire o statement mu say omu agu traditional de omu agu no e fie de omu agu no na legal one the court so they are still in the process to end the next at the end of the day ni awale no ayetin to time. Na esi ye no nipa be na e pass comment on that say na Charlotte nyina nim no marriage counselor na waware egu de na ase ne say obi awuto ore fof na waware untimi tran ho de wade egu de let's asem no bibia ho na sansensem we no na Afia Schwar nigga ebe man opinion on that na Afia Schwar ka ebe ka se no chirem momentum ase mo na mo de manu asi Charlotte Oduro ho momentum ase Duncan Williams waja wale Apostle Isaac Owusu Bempah waja wale Emma even Nana Mama McBrown cross waja wale.
It's like this generation more like here be a friend of conscience. Conscience. Mami na worry agu ntidien. Ono the first person na worry agu. Na wo kana worry na wuti no dey na saying because you are enduring abuse, shame and pain. Because you are enduring abuse, shame and pain, so you think you are better than her? Adia na kamo peni se ma me betina ware na se ni atete wa fa adura no mawu na kamo ya mo sepa chaya be why didn't she speak to someone? Aware no timubi. You guys are so bitter. Bitterness no one year few man ya me sha. And the most people that were jubilating were single people. Kwesiaka Swana, sorry, they my Ghana. Maybe America we are going to you. Kwesiaka Swana, and I swear they be my ma. But makume muno, are you worshiping God or moko kosana mabefie? You are jubilating because a marriage for years. For years, my name's why 15 or something years. Now why you go? What when you hear me who brag here and sepa China Jana I'm say Shebem once so kwadawa mo be the wrong and what time. And 80%, 90% of the people jubilating are single people. The people jubilating are irresponsible people. Yeah, pay a man no pay. Yeah, pay a man no pay. Someone kwasha bema bi a obekum nsem na nkofo abom nsem message here apaya ma Saudi awaya na obekum no may you not fall in the hands of your murder. Nigerian gospel musician we had all of you speaking about women speaking out. Women should come out. Women should be bold. Now, if not a narcissist manner, I don't need anybody to show me who a narcissist is. If not for a narcissist man who want to control you even after marriage, Papa no let no better in any rain. Yami show osinachi osinachi. Mami no ye no yet se bu nyina ma no ne yet ya peace ne ehwemo. Near Ramon. And what abusive marriage? Charlotte, you do a lot as Ghanaians, more Jimmy Dodo. The level of Jimmy, no, it's creepy now. And I'm going to catch them. So we are what Jimmy Dodo, Why Jimmy Dodo? And two people that understood, agreed that Omobe Ware and almost Omo Ware Diem Munya Jimmy no Obi can't say my one for 2 and suiti. Mamma and this same your canon. It doesn't sit well with me. But do I practice it? No. Do I listen to her? No. Stop fooling. Wakasa wofatu osi wuti sabra ne betie. Monya Jimmy no or a counselor enti yoku na wantena ware aso. Monim nyansa. Foolishness in that country is just overwhelming, to say the least. Charlotte Oduro awari egu ntidi e McBrown awari egu. Oye ni pacha Charlotte awari egu McBrown di egu. Munyi sisa collective energy na na mfa meje money. I thought you people said the whole world, the most perfect person is Nanama McBrown. So what happened to her marriage? Because she is, in your picture, she is perfecto of perfect. And to also the negotiation saying, moment is run perfect. To also the negotiation saying, stop fooling. Stop fooling. Duncan Williams kwa wajane. Bishop Duncan Williams wajane. Bedu Kobi, wajane. Bishop Salifo Mwako, wajane. Are you people stupid? Are you foolish or what? Manso for na mko to omani mi omo dada no. Busa so for ma me say dada di no. How many weeks in it over somebody's downfall? What have you achieved? What have you achieved? When I was sereno, you have failed. So you are happy somebody's failed. Well, marriage is not a ticket to heaven. What tiny woman when the doors were tiny. What tiny. Obienu obeti ya hemo ni makajem say Jimmy no ya yi me ana meka. What tiny woman when the doors. What tiny timu muno. Fabi before one say achieve something with your life. And stop hating on people doing something with their life. What's the Americano? Do something with your life. And stop hating on people doing something with their life. You people are saying a lot. Obaye. When you are and Kobiawa be sad for people. That is Christianity. Christianity is love. You should cultivate the habit of be happy for people, be sad for people. Bible see anyone more musu. Sana Bible can would you be yeah. You are happy about everybody's downfall. And I want to ask you, is that person the reason why your mother is useless? Jimino does wo krom hodu Jimino the enramoye no wa we bibia chese wo ya boa ya ntete wow, yeah, no. What just say nyansa any fee? I'm telling you. Me, that woman, I don't like her utterances, but I will not come here and sit down and say, hey, and then I and we are poor and so saying, wow, yeah, baby, we are poor. That depicts your stupidity. What whoever is doing something, we are very stupid. I ask you people again. Your Madam Perfect, McBrown, where do you go? And also, you people are very stupid. You lack wisdom. What Jimmy? I feel you Jimmy no atraboda. Jimmy na doso. What Jimmy dodo? Mo ni nyansa. Okay, see. There is divorce. There is children involved, and you people are fooling like this on social media. What brother man I say? Kwasiada moyem. Jimmy no doso. Mono munsione bimfa moyem mumra.
Na Afia we no betisi bloggers. Say asemi bae your bloggers and na tu munchi na atam asem na tu your platform to chire nsem munti no. Afia fire na all fire no. Otu na nisi nipa ba ko say the ope konkonsa pa. Gossips24 eye Clement ope konkonsa. Afia fire like
any bloggers and no can't wait, no can't wait, and I know you people are very foolish. You people come and tell us how many years you've been married. Come and tell us. Come and tell us how many years I wanna walk on. And let's see the results. We are very stupid people. We are very unintelligent set of human beings. What Chimidodo, especially Clement, no. What chimmy too much. Stupid boy, winning baby at on shirt from a crash. Why are you people so stupid? Why are you people so stupid? Bloggers no more blogging no. Omo yendi womo up and down. Yendi womo up and down. Why are you people so stupid? What did Jimmy say? I'm a mabe who are you? More than Quasia say. I'm a mabe yakuamo. When will this stupidity end? Da ben abube suenya ansa kaka wo mu Jimmy tilenim. Jimmy na doso wo manim. Jimmy na doso foolish people. Nincompoops. Escalawas, twats. Now broche for na nipa 7, nipa 10. No mu gunkuko buomu no. No mu su yebi. Nipa 10. Muntimi ni apartment. Nipa 10 na mu gunkuko buomu no. Mu su mu yebi. Mu kwasi awate. Mo kan no. Onya mo show mani mu so. Ye kwaso de so mo mpeku no mo na di ho. O na di kan ho. One more twetwe se ma me na ware egu no. O mo twetwe no. Ye ka say asuja formula o mu na di kan mo ba bompa ya chepa. Mo ba bompa ye. Na wunya bi nso a wo benya kwase ampanyi ni sa wo du besi kwen.
I love the part where he says, "Send me Penyah, you be mine."
What na anya ode? Wo ba bompa ye pa. Wo ba ye baby mama che. Na wunya bi nso a you do besi and am so mu jubilate no. Sa na mu nua ma no be kwa aware ya ba. Said that for one. Now when you are my for, or when you are one, you could be a 1 year ago, what you come and say, hey, what would I want? Whoosh.
Afia fire clevet. Enya so kwa wuzia. Afia expose concerning na McBrown or to odwe no ho. Ye beka ya. Na McBrown aware no. Cancer literate ebe kasa wale we enyina. It will never sustain. Aware we enyina. But Kiane Kings, I think said the councillor Eka no. Emu na Afia Schwar so abetire se mu se aware ne de enya agu etima mo sere Charlotte Oduro no. Ara se ene semunum ne sere de ne o trem se na ma de asu agu. Etimu gwan sere but may God forbid say met na platform so I'm making fun of someone obi na ware agu. Come on, abrabo me duro he na me ware ye me nduru ba bia. Me ba be wale bi. Etimi go time obi aware se me platform so na me sere but sere tie no. Penyah kura to form asem hu a ye de ye ba bi dwanse mu ha ye kyerɛkyerɛ nsem mu ye ni atam ye nsiro bi ye make fun of bi ye kyerɛkyerɛ nsem mu e wo ha dem but subscribe button na so turn bell notification icon on na kyerɛ wa dwen e wo comment section bakra